What's up, guys? Hope you all are having an amazing day. We are in the middle of nowhere. Like, literally, we are in the middle of nowhere. But one of my friends, Esther, her father in law owns this place and she invited us to do a photo shoot here. There are horses back there that we may be going there to shoot with. I'm really scared of horses, but Jenna, my model Jenna, isn't, so that's a good news. We'll be going there to do some shoot. There are some sheeps there, but we're going to start right here with this tree to get some photos. Today I'll be shooting with my Canon 60 Mark II, and as always my 100 macro. I like using this lens because it's very sharp, and I have two flashlights here that I'll be using, one as a backlit and then this to like fill in the shadow. I have flashes, and then I'm using the Godox like transmitter and receiver. Because my flash don't shoot high speed sync, I have an ND filter on here just to give me the shallow depth of field that I want to shoot at. So I hope you guys enjoy. We're about to have fun. Here, Nolan will be helping me today. He's gonna be our assistant, lights assistant today, and he is shining this thing right in my face. And we have our beautiful model here, Jenna. Isn't this cute? Oh my god, you look like you're in a TV show. just got done with the first shoot, and this is the second outfit. Doesn't it look beautiful? And surprise guys, we are shooting with these guys right here. Excited. Here they come. Jen, are you ready?
I'm so ready.
So we are trying to get to shoot with the sheeps, and they keep running away from us. Like, it's open?
Yeah.
How?
That's not from us though, because we didn't come in that way. She closed it too. But she said they're not supposed to be over there.
Yeah, they're gonna get lost.
This time I wasn't able to get behind the scene videos because at the farm the sheep were running here and there. They were not being able to stand stable at one particular place. I wanted to get a photo of like the model being in the middle of like the sheeps, but that didn't work. So we ended up like moving back closer to where the horses were, and because like I said, the sheeps were running back and forth, I have to let Nolan hold the light so that they don't bump into it and just break stuff. And then also with the horses shoots, they were not also like standing stable because you know they have no like leash, or I don't know what they are called, the rope that most horses have. And because of that, they were not able to like be really stable at one place. We were not able to direct them as I wanted. But even with that, I was still able to get some really nice photos. So I'm going to share the photos with you, and I'm sorry that we were not able to get that behind the scenes video for you. Show you guys much behind the scenes when we were in the farm, but this is our last outfit. Looks really gorgeous. We'll be going to shoot over there in these flowers right here. You ready?
Always. So this is where we end the shoot. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for sticking around. I hope you enjoyed the behind the scenes photo. Thanks to Nolan for being an assistant. Thanks to Jenna for stepping into a lot of like horse poop.
I will see you guys in the next one.